Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish, and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I'm going to do an acrylic pour with hair serum, and I'm going to do a double cup pour. So let's get down to it. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tish, and I'm the artisan and owner of Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. Now, this is my second video on this Coconut Hair Serum, but today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to try and do the double cut pour again, and I have another video on this, and I hopefully will have some more after these to see just what kind of different results I can get. So and I'm also recycling some canvases. This was one of my double cup pours. It really faded, and it was really cool to begin with. But we're going to try the same technique on this one, and then I thought of a different way to do it on this one. So we're going to see what happens. So, can you tell I'm Minnesotan? So, sorry. Okay, so what I got here is Artist Loft Red, Artist Loft Copper, Artist Loft Yellow, and a custom orange that I blended. And then I also brought in, now these four have the hair serum in them, and then I brought in some metallic gold. This is Artist Loft Metallic Gold. I'm not going to put any of that in here. I want to see what happens when you kind of mix it up. And then this is a neon blue. Also Artist Loft paint. What we're going to do is this last one, I put the black on the outside and color on the inside of this cup. Because see, this cup is from a Core water bottle. And maybe if I get a clean one, I'm just going to use the dirty one. But I don't know if you can see. This is where the lid of the water bottle was. And I just kind of pop that out, and then this is what was left behind. So it's about a half and half thing. It's kind of like one of those Yag Bomb shot glasses, only smaller. So let's see how this works. So we're gonna put in, I'm gonna put, like I did on the last one, I've got my black here. So I'm gonna fill up the black on the outside here, and then black on the inside here. Okay, so I'm going to put the black aside just for a moment because we're going to need that to cover the top of the colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the copper on the bottom. And as I pour this, I'm going to pour on the edge of here. I'm not going to pour in the black because I'm afraid it's going to sink into the black, and I don't want that. Okay, so we're going to put the black fill on here, and then we'll be ready to prep the canvases. All right, that's good enough for me. Let's put these off to the side. And let's get our canvases ready. Grab my glove, because your best tool is your own hand. Okay, let's take off this glove, and you know what, I'm going to take this glove because I noticed that this is a little kitty wampus, and I don't know if it's because of the canvas or if it's because of my board that's underneath it. So I'm just going to stick that underneath the corner. There we go. I'm going to do basically a tree ring pour with both of these, and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's torch these. All right, I'm gonna let them sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna tip them, tilt them, tip them, whatever. Let me clean up this mess, and I'll be back. Okay, let's see if we can make this spread out just a little bit more. I think I'm going to do I didn't like that. I need a more delicate thing, and I don't have anything handy right now, so to do what I want to do. Actually, that works pretty good. Like I said, your hands are your best tools. That's doing exactly. I just wanted to soften the edge, and that was just not doing what I wanted it to do. Just to kind of soften those edges, because that was a really sharp line, and I didn't like that. I really like that though. Oh, we forgot to wipe off the drippies. Okay, I think that rag is toast. Let me set the timer for 20 minutes. We'll come back and see how they look. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, and I would like to do a close-up picture here. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button and click that little notifications bell so you can be notified when we add new content or go live on our channel. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.